Hey everyone, my name's Andy from Southside Hustle. Today we're going to take a look at Google Drive for desktop and how you can actually stream two Google Drives on the same computer. So Google Drive is great and you can have obviously your drive streamed if you install the Google Drive for desktop plugin. But if you have two drives, Google Drives, then it doesn't seem to just easily be able to find the second one. But I've got a solution for you. So if you come down here and click on the drive, this shows my OneDrive that I've got available. And if I click on the gear icon and go to Preferences, this will open my Google Drive, and it's nice and simple. You can just come to the person icon in the corner and go add another account. That then goes and looks for your second account, and we want this one here, this Nifty Things. We click on that and we go sign in. It'll give us a success. You've now signed in. And then if we come to our Drive folder, you can now see that I've got these two Google Drives here. So I've got my Nifty Things one, and then I've got my original one here. So if I go into it, you can sort of go through and see all the information, and you can quickly go and grab files. If you are using it to upload a file somewhere, then you can just go to my computer and just find it like a network drive. So Google Drive is fantastic like that now, that you can actually do this. I've struggled for a very long time. I've searched across Google and Reddit and all sorts of places to find a solution for this, and managed to finally find one. So I wanted to share it with everyone here so that you didn't have to go through all the hours that I've gone through to try to be able to have two Google Drives for desktop made available for you. So hope you enjoyed that little tip. Let me know in the comments below if this worked for you, and thanks for watching.